Hello everyone, my name is John, and today I will tell you how to set up data transfer from Google Drive to Google Sheets. This is necessary to automatically transfer and receive data about new or updated files and folders from your Google Drive account. For example, you can automatically transfer the files themselves or links to them to CRM, Google Sheets, etc. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the data source's Google Drive system. Now you need to specify the action Get File, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Drive account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your username and password and provide all the necessary access. When the connected account appears in the list, select it and click Continue. In the Settings section, you need to choose where to search for new files in your Google Drive account. In the drop-down list, select the desired section. In my case, it is Entire Google Drive. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so just click Continue. Now you see the test data that will be transferred to Google Sheets. If everything suits you, click Continue. At this point, the data source configuration is successfully completed. Now you need to go to the Data Destination settings. Select Google Sheets as the data destination system. Now you need to specify the action, Add Row. At this stage, you need to connect the Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your username and password and provide all the necessary access. Select the table to which you want to transfer information. After the connected account is displayed in the list, click Continue. Now you need to select the Google Sheets sheet to which the new row will be added. After selecting, you will see Google Sheets columns. In order to assign a variable, click in the desired field and select it from the list. Please note that you can not only use variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, scroll down the page and click Continue. At this stage, you see the test data that will be transferred to Google Sheets. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the settings. At this point, the data destination setting in Google Sheets is successfully completed. Now you need to enable Auto Update. Select the connection activation interval, for example, 1 time in 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.